Hello guys and welcome back to another video. And today we are this is day 2 in Somasila. So we have decided that we will go for a little walk before the day starts. So now we are going. So good morning guys. There is dogs everywhere. There is jungle behind us and it's a city right in front of us. This is good. So the whole gang, which is Bill, Shrey, and everyone, they're down waiting for my mommy, waiting for mom to come. Yeah, this is gonna take a little more time, but we may go up. I don't know. Shrey is down here, and Bill also came. Say hi, guys. He's eating milk powder.
Our very little baby.
Sasibaka 913. I don't know what that means.
That means you're Sophie and you're a baka and you're 913.
No,
No.
no. Stop. Idiots. So we will be starting a day now, going through a little scroll around this place. We will mostly be here till tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I think I don't know, but I have to keep a but in the way. We are going to the river. We are going to the river. Behind me is the river. There. Yeah.
Wrong.
Oh. Why do you always have? Oh my god, that's not the river, you idiot. That's just a lake.
It is terrible.
Oh my god.
For real, I'm telling. Come up and look at the terrace.
Does that connect there? Say,
Hmm?
does that connect there? Hmm. Let's go.
Call everybody! Call everybody!
We are coming.
Amma!
Okay, now we are going
Not me.
to the river place. I think.
He's a big baby. Oh, stupid me.
Okay, you guys, catch you guys up later. Okay, guys, so we are here. We are here down of this place, down of the hotel. The hotel is right behind me. Whoa. Hey, who's that? That's right. Hey, what you doing? Oh shit. What? So, Shreya is making paper aeroplanes, and I'm the only one filming. I can't see him anywhere. So our car is getting filled up with air. The tires, at least, not the car. While that happens, we are already making a video. Okay, we are done. We are getting ready to walk. Mom is here. She'll come. I'll catch you guys up later. Okay, guys, so we are here back. We went somewhere into that river, and now we are going to the actual Krishna river. But first, we are going somewhere into the forest. So in the forest, we'll enjoy a little bit there, and then we are gonna go to the river, which I'm not gonna film. So I will show you the forest. So let us see. Okay, guys, we are going coming closer to somasila, Andhra Pradesh, and now we are going back to somasila. What did you say? Somasila. What the shit did you just say? Huh? Oh God.
Oh God. Did you put Surajaba?
This will be. Hi. The color of the water is also concerning. Because catch you guys up later. Monday.
ఇక్కడ పోదాం
Bye.
నిన్న పోయిన దగ్గర లేకపోతే ఇంకోటి పుస్తకం
Oh, bye. Then bye. Okay guys, so we are back home. So this full day we have out. It has been a nice day either way. So this is the end of this video guys. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe. And hit that stupid bell. Smack it like the like button. Okay, bye guys.